In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. Adding Apple Pay can greatly enhance the shopping experience for your customers by offering them a seamless, quick, and secure checkout option directly from their Apple devices. With more people turning to mobile and contactless payments, integrating Apple Pay into your store can potentially boost your sales and improve customer satisfaction. Let's dive in and get started with this straightforward process. Begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard, where you manage all the behind-the-scenes settings for your online store. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Settings. Clicking on this will open up a panel with a variety of store options available to you. Next, within this Settings menu, you'll notice a tab on the left-hand side labeled Payments. Go ahead and select that option. This Payments section is where you can manage all the different methods through which you'll accept payments from your customers. Now, you have a couple of different choices depending on your location and preferences. If your country supports it, the simplest way to add Apple Pay to your checkout process is by enabling Shopify Payments. Not only does Shopify Payments streamline the payment process, but it also automatically includes Apple Pay as an option for your customers. Simply follow the prompts to activate Shopify Payments, and with Apple Pay built in, you'll enrich your customers' checkout experience. However, it's important to note that Shopify Payments isn't available in every country. If you don't have access to this option, don't worry. There's an alternative. What you'll need to do is click on See Other Providers, which will allow you to explore other payment processors that can offer Apple Pay integration. Once you've accessed the list of third-party payment providers, you can filter specifically by those offering Apple Pay. This part might require a little exploration on your part, as there are various providers, each with their own setup processes. Choose one of these third-party providers according to your needs and follow their instructions for installation and setup. After you've set up your chosen payment provider with Apple Pay, remember to save your settings. It's crucial to check that everything is configured correctly to ensure a smooth operation when customers start making purchases. And that's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Apple Pay into your Shopify store, opening up a world of convenience for your customers. They can now enjoy the ease of checking out with a single touch or a glance through their Apple devices, which can lead to increased satisfaction and potentially higher sales for you. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!